What's going on, automation family? Listen up, because this is about to blow your mind. Just 317 days ago, I kicked off a faceless TikTok automation page, and it actually racked up over 200 million views and 300,000 followers. Believe it or not, my goal was to make the money I lost trying YouTube automation. I was in debt $3,000 when my monthly paycheck was only $27. Don't ask me why. But family, what happened next? I could have never imagined. So check it. I made over $137,968 from just one TikTok account and over $1 million from TikTok Creator Rewards program alone, which is still weird for me to say out loud. Click the video on the screen while I call my bank live to get some inspiration. That's just one way I monetize that page. I am the only person on the internet that has 30 plus accounts. I have tried over 100 different niches. So you are learning from the most experienced person on YouTube. But now that I got you up to speed, let's rewind that thing a little bit. Back in August 2023, my friend told me about the Creativity Beta program. And I said, fuck it, I'll try it. I was losing so much from YouTube automation, and once I got my first payment, I was hooked. It wasn't all great. I got kicked out of creativity program at least 10 times. So you gotta do what you gotta do. So first is finding a profitable winning niche. I realized making money with this program wasn't as easy as it seemed. You gotta follow a blueprint. First, find a winning niche. Picking the right niche can make growing your page feels like pushing a boulder down a hill. But picking the wrong one is like pushing the same boulder up the hill. To everyone's surprise, finding a winning niche is tactical. You gotta scroll through TikTok, but not just for fun like a loser. Look for faceless videos over 1 minute long with interesting concepts. Click on those pages, check how long they've been posting, their average views, their viral hits. If they meet the criteria, save that link in a document. So next is setting up your account. So moving on to step 2, setting up your account. First things first, pick a name related to your niche. It doesn't have to be crazy. My first page name was super basic before TikTok banned it. You can even use ChatGPT to help you with the name. Next, write a short bio. Keep it simple and maybe throw in a call to action. But the crucial part is warming up your page and curating your feed or making your feed like the niche you want to post. For the first 3 to 7 days, just use the account normally without posting. Engage with the content from your niche to trick the TikTok algorithm to thinking it's the only type of content that you like. Suddenly, we hit step 3, creating videos. Here's where it gets exciting. To create viral content, focus on the hook, the journey, and the ending. The hook should grab attention within the first seconds using audio, text, and visuals. Make people feel something, happy, angry, curious, whatever. And an unsuspected twist. The journey keeps viewers engaged using storytelling or promises. For example, one of my most viral videos started with Kim Kardashian saying, "I hate black people." It piques curiosity and keeps people watching. I made a lot of money off that video. I'm not gonna say how much. Anyway, with anticipation building, step 4 is staying consistent. It's not about posting regularly, but also maintaining the quality and relevance of your content. Keep improving your videos and eventually one will go viral. Consistency is key, especially with faceless TikTok pages because your followers are gonna forget about you all the time because you don't have your face. So next, fate would have it. Let's talk numbers. Initially, I aimed for 50,000 followers and $500. But over 317 days, I smashed that goal, hitting 300K followers and 137 bands from the creativity program. Plus, I made an additional 20K from the content posts. So, drawing closer to the climax, when I first started, I was doing the videos myself. But now I recommend don't do that shit because it's trash. So if you want to start TikTok automation the right way, click the link in the description because I show you exactly how I did it and how you can stop being a worker and saying, oh, I gotta do 3 videos today like a loser, and have other people do the work for you so you can scale and chill out on the beach like this. Talk to you all later, and don't forget to drop a like and comment if you want a question, and maybe I might answer it. Or maybe I might go chill out on the beach more. Deuces.